In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Charles Schwab app. If you're on an Android phone, this will take just a minute. And when you're done, you'll have quick access to your accounts, trading, research, and more. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Schwab Mobile. You're looking for the official listing called Schwab Mobile from the Charles Schwab Corporation. Check the developer name to confirm it's the legitimate app, not a lookalike. When you see the correct result, tap it to open the app page. Here, you can skim the description, screenshots, and reviews if you'd like a quick preview of what it can do. When you're ready, press Install. The download will begin, and you can watch the progress bar as it completes. A strong Wi-Fi or data connection helps the install go faster. If prompted for permissions, review them and continue so the install can finish. Once installed, you'll also find the icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. The Schwab mobile app is designed to support your everyday investing and banking. With it, you can trade stocks and ETFs, check your balances in real time, deposit checks using your camera, transfer money between accounts, research potential investments, and manage both your banking and brokerage accounts from one place. Having these tools on your phone can save time and help you stay on top of the market and your finances wherever you are. A few quick tips to stay safe. Download only from official stores, the Google Play Store on Android, or the Apple App Store if you use an iPhone or iPad. Make sure the developer listed is the Charles Schwab Corporation before you install. Avoid downloading APK files from random websites, as those can be outdated or unsafe. Also, be aware that some older Android devices may not support the newest app versions. If you see a device not compatible message, check for system updates or use a newer device that meets the requirements. That's all you need to get the Charles Schwab app onto your Android phone. Follow these steps and you'll be set up with a secure, convenient way to access your accounts, place trades, and manage your money on the go.